I'll talk.
Okay. Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
We are here in this car game.
You're here in Let's Vegas. No, I'm not.
No. No, we're
I'm
not.
playing Just Cause 2 at the moment.
No, we're in our room. What's up with playing this car game? It's Demolition Derby.
Bang. Oh my god.
Well, I set it to Derby mode.
It's a car game and it's sick.
Screw you, boss.
But
Yes,
it's actually really
I
annoying.
repaired it. No, you just come up and fuck it all up. Thank you. You fucking appreciate that. Oh. Alright. Fucking appreciate that too. Right, I'm gonna try and get off. Okay. It is repaired officially. Oh, what's up here? This looks cool. What's up with other people down here, bros? Oh. Oh my days, even though there's no people. I'm just commentating on this shit. Oh god. I'm on gear 7. I never knew there was a gear 7. Well, I did, but, you know.
I'm on Porsches. Oh my god, a Porsche.
On Porsches.
I'm getting Porsche from Just Cause.
Porsches.
So where do you go?
They're
Map.
Porsches. They're called Porsches. I call them Porsches. Wait,
Should we get
miss.
playing?
Yeah, I don't see why not. Why the fucking not? Oh god.
So it's over here.
Oops. Yeah, that's a big freaking oops. Oh, die, you fucking asshole. He just got a bus and I got a Porsche. Not fair. Low fuel. No one gives a shit.
I think maybe you have to unlock like.
Refuel. There we go. That was.
Maybe you have to unlock stuff.
Yeah, you can probably unlock cars. No, I think you just change them. I won't be able to get the bus. Hey, what's this? What's another Porsche? You literally taking the piss.
Maybe you change your car at like the start menu. Maybe like change it to color.
Yeah, but this is a better colour, so yeah. Screw you. Look at the wheels. Oh, them sexy ass wheels though. Shit, quickly, repair. Repaired, get off. Just ram into the bus. Oh, even
Oh,
not.
come on, Betty.
Betty. It's a fucking car, apparently. Wait.
Betty. You're awesome.
Oh, what the fuck? Wait. Sorry.
Oh, you just.
That was kind of spazzy.
What?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh, that, like, million barrel roll skill. You fucking twat.
But didn't land, I'm guessing?
Get off! Now there's a bloody bus. That's not fair. We're in the bus. We're sitting in the bus. Oh. We were sitting in the bus for a second then.
More than a second. 2.35 milliseconds.
Yay, we're sitting in the bus again. Yay. Oh. I was enjoying that in the bus. Oh my god. What the hell?
Oh my
Fucking god.
You can attach a statue to a vehicle and tear it down. Oh my god, I want to do that.
Anything I can do, and you can do, I can do better.
Yeah, bitch.
Oh,
Look at this.
refuel.
Look at this thing, I'm going to tear this thing down.
How fast
Jacob.
can we go?
Jacob, look. I'm connected
Oh god.
to this statue and I'm going to bring it down. Did it work?
Wow! Yeah.
This car is not powerful enough.
Cool.
I need like a really
Oh,
powerful
I
car.
crashed. Oh, that made a mark. Me not happy now. This is bollocks, isn't it, Zach? Oh, I'm skills though. My brother's playing on something called Just Cause 2 Demo.
No, because we might be getting the game soon. Check it out.
Check it out,
It's pretty
bros.
sick. It's awesome.
Oh shit. They're coming for me. I never knew they'll find me here, so I went over here. And they
What if I
fucking
find a
hunted
Porsche?
me down
Oh my
because
God.
I can't.
Oh my god, look at that car. That's so powerful. 800 horsepower.
Wow, that's like so mean. Are you literally taking the piss?
I'm not.
No, you're not. These dickheads are.
Anyway,
It's fucking teaming on me. That bus is playing fair. He's not like literally fucking killing us.
ram them then. Team up with the bus.
I'm trying to fucking. You know, twats.
Who have to team on that game? I would team up with the bus.
What the hell?
You can team
Are
up.
you allowed? Can't. No. Wow.
I know, but like, is there like an option where you can?
No, you have to do it. Just beep and do. Just fucking do it. Yeah, bros, I refueled. Cause I'm so spazzy. This song is true. I know I like it. Apart from my friend Jamie. Who has spazzy?
This car isn't powerful enough either.
Oh wow.
Nothing-
Oh, that's
nothing is-
speed though. Oh shit, what the fuck? Are you on steroids,
I'm
mate?
so fancy. Oh my god, my car's exploding! Oh!
He's taking steroids.
My car is, look, it's on fire.
Oh god.
We wasted
Maybe
7
his
minutes
biceps
doing
exploded. Oh, the bus is stranded. Stuck.
that. Ram it to get out.
Oh, what a crash. You fucking wankers.
They're teaming on me.
I've already told you, you cannot team. It's a bit wimpy. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh my god. We got
Yeah, man.
our friends.
Yeah, man.
I think this guy's from.
Oh my god, Subaru,
Cannabis.
Subaru. Shall I tow like a vehicle out the way? So look, Jacob. Jacob, look at this.
Oh my days! Stunts for days. I wasn't even looking. Oh, hey, you missed. What an idiot. Oh, fucking twat. Well, they both are.
I'm gonna get this, Jacob.
Ah!
I got this.
Double kill. Yeah.
I'm trying to tow this guy's car away.
Oh, barrel.
Right, that didn't work.
Did it.
Just get in the car and run.
Refuel.
Go, 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 go.
Repaired. Yay.
I'm so fast. No! Oh my god, I just killed this guy and he went like 10 meters up in the air like, my
Those
God.
guys teaming on me are stalkers.
Those guys that are teaming on me.
Shut
are
up!
stalkers.
Can you just make a song about butts? So you dare.
I'll make a song about big fat butts and I call it Wiggle.
Oh shit. Why can you not turn one way and turn the other? Bloody hell. Oh, you're so fat you can't get me. You're so fat that you're a twat. La, 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 la,
Yeah,
la,
you're so
la,
fat
la.
that you're a twat. It rhymes!
And he
Wait.
sucked
Oh, you
his
crashed.
mom's pussy.
Police brutality!
Because he's a fucking
Run.
twat. He likes to suck his mum's pussy because he's a fucking twat. La 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 la. Yeah, bros. Oh, alright. Don't know why they're teaming on me. Okay, I might end the video. But let's review today. Those guys are teaming on me. I jumped over a bus. I went inside a bus twice. That lag though. I got stalked by a pair of teamers. They're probably brothers who haven't have friends. And Yeah, that was great, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. We'll see you guys in the next video!